Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 1.3 inches. The package length of the product is 13.15 inches. The package width of the product is 4.54 inches. Top reviews from the United States. When on easy with proper tool. Fit my 2010 2.5 non-turbo Forester just great. My old belt didn't show visible signs of wear, see pic. But since I was already replacing the squeaky alternator belt, I figure why not. My Scooby has 75,000 miles, so it's overdue for new belts anyway, in theory. I am not sure I believe the Gates video when they show you how to use the tool and claim that the AC stretch belt is designed to wear away at the same rate as your regular serpentine belt. The AC belt, while it does spin as much and is shorter than the serpentine belt, only has load on it when the AC compressor's clutch is engaged. Meh. The Gates 91031 tool is a must when replacing the belt. I posted a review there, but basically, you should watch the video a few times on how to use the tool before going under the hood and while you're replacing the belt. My stomach was a little queasy as I cut the old belt off like it showed in the video. It was the hottest day of the summer, and if this didn't work then I'd have been out of AC. Fortunately, it's so easy a caveman can do it.